To the right side.
Good. Good.
To the right side.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Media mohon dipersiapkan dulu videonya. Sudah siap? Organizations, where media please raise your hand. Mention your name, your media, and also the questions going to be.
I'm Ashraf from Area Sinta. My first question to Coach. Australia won 4-0 in last Asian Cup, and the current Indonesian team is pretty different now. How do you see that? And the second question is, will be full of supporters of Indonesia, maybe around 70,000. We will support Indonesia. That must be very loud and intimidating for your team. How do you see that? Thank you.
Well, to answer your first question, yes, we did beat Indonesia for the Asian Cup. And we know I've been watching them obviously and doing my research, and I know that their under 23 team got into a playoff. Just missed out on the Olympic teams, the Olympic Games, sorry. So I know that, the game is growing here in Indonesia. But we are very prepared for that, and we will be, we're just focusing more on ourselves and how we perform. The other question is the crowd. It's great. I think it depends how the home team responds to the crowd. Big crowds can also put a lot of pressure on their own players and put a lot of pressure on their own performance, and so it can go both ways. But it's great. We've been playing over the last number of years a lot of games away from home in kind of big stadiums and kind of big crowds, and I know that the players, our players, would rather play in front of 70,000 away fans than play in front of nobody like we had during COVID.
Jadi untuk tadi kita jawabannya dia kita menang 4-0. Kita juga bisa melihat tim yang sekarang ini hebat. Justru U23 ini kemarin hampir saja masuk kualifikasi Piala Dunia Nusantara, dan kita juga sudah bersiap untuk itu. Nah, yang kedua untuk pertanyaan soal crowd atau atmosfer, ini bisa dibilang hebat, tapi untuk atmosfer seperti ini bisa saja berdampak kedua tim, bisa perform dan bisa perform. Tapi kita prefer untuk bisa bermain di depan sekitar 70.000 daripada bermain di pertandingan tidak ada orangnya seperti di foto.
Okay, for the next question.
Hello. Touching the players, do you think they will influence most of the characteristic of the current Indonesian national team? I think this your fourth times against Indonesia, 2 with the under-23 and the last time in Asia. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, I played in Holland, and we've obviously been around. I know a lot of Dutch people, but I thought the Dutch boys were Indonesian. So, once I put that shirt on, it doesn't matter. That type of thing is more about the quality of the play.
Ya, jadi coach sudah bermain di Belanda juga, jadi sudah pernah bermain di Belanda. Tapi menurut saya anak-anak ini tetap juga orang Indonesia, jadi bukan Indonesia. seperti orang Indonesia.
Okay, the next question, please. From here. Please for the microphone.
Can I go? I'll go quickly. As is Robbie Thompson from Channel 10 Paramount Plus. You're one of the more experienced players in the current squad. You've seen it all before. What was your role and the message within the squad after the defeat against Bahrain, and what needs to change in the mentality for tomorrow night?
Yeah, look, obviously we're all disappointed. Not the way we wanted to start this phase, and we know as a group that we're below par. There's no doubt about it, but it's all about how we react and how we respond mentally, and obviously leading into this game. We're going to put that game behind us. It's only a one game, and look, we've got a lot of games ahead of us, but we just got to focus on this Indonesia game now. And the group's been great. We've had a good few sessions here. Boys have recovered well, and like I said, it's more about just being positive. Obviously knowing that we can be better, and we will be better. So that's been the main messaging, especially to the younger boys as well. And look, everyone's excited, and like we've been speaking about, the atmosphere is going to be great. So as a footballer, there's nothing better than playing in front of a full stadium.
Oke, jadi menurut beliau kekalahan itu sangat mengecewakan. Tapi ini yang kita perlu fokus adalah bagaimana cara kita bereaksi secara mental dan fisik. Kita bisa saja melupakan untuk tim yang sudah terjadi kemarin. Nah, ini yang di satu game saja. Kita punya pertandingan depannya lagi. Sekarang kita akan fokus kepada pertandingan Indonesia ini. Teman-teman juga sudah pulih, dan jadi sekarang kita hanya berpikir positif, dan semua juga sangat senang karena kita bisa bermain di stadion dengan crowd yang besar.
Alright, for the last question, please.
My name is Sukumayuni from Wheel.net Indonesia. First, welcome to Indonesia, to Grammar and your staff. First match is gone wrong with your team.
To the center first. Right. One more to the right, left side. To the right side.
Good.
To the right side.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Baik, terima kasih rekan-rekan.